What does a wheel spacer do? The main function of using wheel spacers is to provide the additional clearance between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly. Actually, it is not good that wheels are placed too close to other components. It would affect the handling performance of the vehicle. When you fully steer, the tire's edge would rub against the fender or suspension kit. Installing wheel spacers can provide a bit more additional clearance so you could slope spare issues. When it comes to the vehicles that mold larger tires, wheel spacers are also useful. This is because of where the new tires you install are larger than the stock tires, that causing some spare problems. In this situation, you should use wheel spacers to help them fit in the right place. The special design of this BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency uncontinuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FT cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first FT cooling technique. In conclusion, using wheel spacers is a cost-effective approach to increase the wheel track without breaking your budget to buy a new set of expensive rims. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.